Hello everyone. Are you all ready to start a new day? Because I am. Let's get started. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? I'm happy. And you? How are you? How are you all feeling? Although it's raining, today Miss Irene is happy because she has a surprise for you. It's in the video. So hang on, okay? Just wait. Let's start with our songs. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard the rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Today I don't have my handkerchief and my scarf, but it doesn't matter. Just pretend you have it. Oh, actually it's here. Whoops! Great! Far, 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 we're going to the stars. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard the rocket ship. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Fun, fun, fun. We're going to the sun. Fun, fun, fun. We're going to the sun. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard the rocket ship. Fun, fun, fun. We're going to the sun. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Now we can sing the one we know about the senses. Here we go.
Eyes so I can see, and a nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch, they do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat.
Yummy! So now let's put the moon, the star, and the sun down so we can use it tomorrow. And let's look at the feelings. How do you feel today? Think about it, friends, and why do you feel this way? The weather. Yesterday, friends, Monday, we had a rainy day, and today it is raining again. It's just drizzling, just a little bit of rain, but it's raining. Let's sing the song together. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, 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 go away. I'm going to put the arrow down, and hopefully tomorrow will be sunny. We just need to wait. So friends, today is not a sunny day. Today is not a cloudy day. Today is not a windy day, or a foggy day, or a snowy day. Today's weather is rainy. It is raining. We will see tomorrow. The days of the week. Let's review the days of the week. I'm going to give you just one hint. Yesterday we said that it was Monday. So if today was Monday, what day is it today? Let's sing the song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Let's look at the calendar and find out what number and the month. It's right here. And so yesterday was this day. And today we just said that it's Tuesday. So let's look down. Today's 28th. It's Tuesday, the 28th of April. Or you can also say it's April 28th. So I am going to draw again the fluffy cloud and the rain. Question for you. If today is Tuesday, as we have just said, what day will it be tomorrow? Wednesday. Just look up, up, up. What? Let me write the W again. What? Wednesday. Here it is. So today, friends, we are not going to dress our friends up. Let me put the calendar down. So I am going to show you what we're going to do. Look at this. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, if I'm not wrong, yes, we're going to read. So these are the sounds that we already know. So let's read these words together. P, pen, pen. It says pen. Pat, 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 pat. It says pat. E, tip, 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 tip. Ap, nap, nap. Sorry. At. Let me hold it right. Here we go. At. 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 S. At. Sat. Sat. Very similar, but not the same. S. Eat. Eat. Sit. Oh. So those are the words. Now let's continue with the day. So there you've got Daisy, Robin, and the mouse. And today, as we have just said, is Tuesday, the 28th of April. So let's review the vocabulary. Sorry, friends. Excuse me. Astronaut, please repeat after me. So I say astronaut, you say astronaut. I say stars, you say stars. Very good. I say moon, you say moon. Very good. Sky, rocket, earth. Good job. So now we're going to keep learning a little bit about the space. Daytime. Do you see the time? Do you see the sun? So that's daytime, when you can see the sun shining, or maybe if it's cloudy, it's the same, it's daytime. Or we can say nighttime. When the sun goes down and the moon brights, it's nighttime. And sun. Let's repeat after me, friends. Daytime, nighttime, sun. Listen to the song. Okay, daytime, nighttime, and sun. Let's see
Listening 27. Listening 27. Daytime and nighttime song. Daytime and nighttime song.
Oh, you can't hear this twice. Hang on, friends. Let me see if I can play this again, but just once. Here we go. Let's see.
Listening 27. Daytime and nighttime song.
It's daytime, can you see the sun? It's daytime, can you see the sun? It's nighttime, good night everyone. It's nighttime, good night everyone.
Very easy, yeah? So let's play a little bit with those flashcards with the vocabulary. It's daytime. It's nighttime. What are we missing on the right? The sun. It's daytime and the sun. What are we missing? Nighttime. Very good. It's nighttime. The sun. What are we missing? Daytime, when the sun is up in the sky. Now let's play what's behind. What's behind the blue rectangle? It's not gonna be nighttime or the sun. It's daytime. What's behind this big blue rectangle? It's not going to be daytime or the sun. Nighttime. The last one. What's behind the blue rectangle? The sun. Good job, friends. Very good. Listen and look.
It's daytime. It's light. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. Look at the girl. What's she doing? She's eating. Yum, yum. Now she's washing her hands. Look at the boy. What's he doing? He's playing the trumpet. Toot, toot, toot. What's this boy doing? He's running. Look, can you see the moon? Can you see the stars? Yes, it's night time. It's dark. Look at the bird. It's an owl. Owls like the night time. What are the children doing? They're sleeping. Good night, everyone. Shh.
So now we can do this page together. It's page 36. Sorry, friends. So let me think how we're going to do. Oh, sorry about that, friends. Okay, so picture number one is already done. It's dark, it's nighttime. So that's why there is a circle around the moon. If you see the stars, it's because it's nighttime. Okay. Number two. Do you see the teacher? she is going to read a book, or she's reading a book to her children, to her students. When do we go to school? During daytime or nighttime? During daytime. So we're going to circle the sun. Look at picture number 3. The girl is sleeping. When do we sleep? During daytime or nighttime? At nighttime. So what do you have to circle? The moon. Good job. Number 4. There is an owl. It's flying. Can you see the moon? Circle the moon. And the last one, friends, number 5. There's a teacher and there are 2 children. They are playing instruments. Do you see the sun? Circle the sun. Very good, friends. So with this worksheet, we have practiced daytime and nighttime. One more experiment today. You need food coloring, oil, earth, wood. And look what is going to happen. The oil sometimes with water. Look at that. Look at all the colors, friends. Beautiful, huh? They're all melting. Right, so in order to do this experiment, you only need oil, water, a yard, a transparent yard, and food coloring, and that's it. Wow, that was funny, huh? Now you can do the experiment now. And it is time for me to say bye-bye. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, friends.